I am going to show you how to make my favorite breakfast sandwich that I've found here in Hawaii. The star of the show is Portuguese sausage. We made a version of this at the farm-to-table restaurant I used to cook at near the lookout of Waipio Valley. The secret sauce is a chipotle salsa. I can't give away the recipe for that, but let me show you how to build the base of this thing. Super simple. It's Portuguese sausage crumbled, caramelized onions, and cheddar cheese all scrambled with eggs. Hit the link in the upper right corner to see our video showing you the whole process, how to make your own fresh Portuguese sausages. It's with a wild pig we hunted and butchered ourselves. We'll also post the video to that one in the link as well. Now, if you're not in Hawaii, you can use just Portugal-style Portuguese sausage or Spanish chorizo. That's available everywhere. And you can use any of those because they all have paprika as their signature spice. The only thing you really need to know how to do here is caramelize onions. When you are going to caramelize an onion, you got to cut them in long slivers. If you dice an onion, it'll burn before it has time to caramelize. Also, do 4 or 5 onions at a time so they create enough moisture. Once you've got olive oil in your pan, go in with your onions, and it's going to take about 40-45 minutes on a low to medium-low heat to caramelize them. And once they've reduced all the way down so that they're jammy and brown, they're done. Get your crumbled Portuguese sausage going in the pan. In with the caramelized onions. And in with the eggs and the cheddar. And that's it, simple as that. You can also wrap this in a flour tortilla if you want and finish it on the stovetop. Okay, if you like this video, hit the like and subscribe. We've got a whole playlist of popular Hawaii recipes and all kinds of stuff like that, and we will see you guys next time. Aloha.